Okay, so here is the process that we use each and every time that we do an install job or a hardscaping job that requires our skid steer. Is we take stacks of plywood and we will create a ramp or a bridge, for lack of better words, across the client's property so we do not disturb or damage any of the existing grounds. Here's our bridge going down. It's going to protect the client's property so we never ever disturb or damage any of the client's property. We want to leave things equal or better than we found them when we're done as it relates to the areas that we're not actually working in.